Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I am Mechelle Arce, ma'am, your nurse for today. May I know your name and your birthday, ma'am?
I am Aline Joyce B. Arce and I was born on November 16, 1994.
Okay, ma'am. So when was your last menstrual period?
It was last September 5, 2021, ma'am.
Okay, so for today, I'm going to be performing the Leopold's maneuver by palpating your abdomen to determine the fetal position, presentation, size, and the fetal heart tone. Is that okay with you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please empty your bladder before we start.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, do your hand hygiene. Okay, ma'am. Please assume in a dorsal recumbent position, ma'am, with your knees bent slightly.
Okay, ma'am.
And I will drape you now, ma'am, for your privacy. I will now start palpating your abdomen, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next, ma'am, is I will now measure the fundal height to know the approximate age of gestation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the fundal height, ma'am, is 38 centimeters, which means your age of gestation is now 38 weeks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. The position of the fetus, ma'am, is in a normal position, which is good. And next is I will now listen to the fetal heart tone by using the stethoscope.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. I will do this in a 1 full minute, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So the fetal heart tone is 130 beats per minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so next is distinguish maternal from phonic sophonic. Don't forget to record findings and identify any abnormal findings and record it. So that's it for today for the fetal heart tone. Thank you for watching.